Okay, this is a TX1000 narrow track. It's got a coolant leak on it. I've already had it apart, but I kind of threw things back together to show the procedure on how to replace the radiator hose on this. So lift up take your two bottom bolts out of your pads, and yes, a lot of times they are corroded and they just rip out, so you pry them up and you flip them up. Then you can remove the four bolts holding the shield on over the radiator, and remove that. Now there are three bolts down at the bottom of the radiator here. Remove those. You can lift up the bottom cover and get to these lower radiator, the bungee cord here, and you've got a radiator hose, your lower radiator hose on this side, and over here is a coolant hose, or a hydraulic cooler hose. This one here has a little pinhole in it. They decided to wrap it with multiple layers of tape as a band-aid, and it never worked. So I've removed the hose clamp on it, and I'm going to get ready to start prying it off. Picks and hooks are a must when it comes to getting off radiator hoses. You're going to pry on it, pull on it. It won't come off unless you get broken loose from the inside, and then they just pop right off.